In this video, I'm going to make blueberry muffins, gluten and dairy free. The perfect dessert if you need something quick, easy, and also healthy. First, start to measure out everything we need. As usual, and always, I tell you, please use scales and measuring spoons. Don't use just a normal eating spoon, tablespoon, or cups as measuring tools because they are not precise. They can hold different amount of liquid or flour, so the end result won't be the same. If you use soda bicarbonate like I do, you have to check whether it is still hasn't expired, but you have to be aware of if you leave the jar or the container open for a while, it will lose its ability to rise the dough because it gets in a chemical reaction with the air humidity. Time by time you have to buy a new one, unfortunately, otherwise it won't work. So let's measure out everything. I will quick up this process now. I'll put the overhead camera on and I will come back. I measured out everything. Now I have to add everything together. I put the butter or margarine in the microwave for 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds until it melted fully. I added some extra water here, 150 milliliters of it, but I'm not sure yet I will need all of it. I will need some of it. It depends on the consistency of the butter. First, I will add the dry ingredients, then the wet ingredients, plus the water. Bear in mind that the xanthan gum and the psyllium husk both will need some time to thicken up the whole butter. Have to wait a few minutes and stir it to see how much more water I have to add to achieve the right consistency. Now I'm going to swap to the overhead camera, then you will be able to see my hands, what I'm doing. The butter is ready. I mixed in everything, even the blueberries. So now I have to prepare the baking tin, and that's really easy. Just put some paper in it. I will use both of them just to see which would look better in the end. And yeah, that's all. I have 12 cavities here. This portion is precisely enough for the 12 cavities. Then I will put it in the oven for 180 Celsius degree for 35 minutes. But you have to keep an eye on them while they are baking, because your oven might be a little bit different and they have to get a good color on them. My oven is a fan assisted oven, so if yours is not, then you might need a little bit higher temperature. So 180 Celsius degree with 35 minutes of baking. The muffins are ready. They spent 35 minutes in the oven at 180 Celsius degree. Look how pretty they are. Let's take them out.